Hello YouTube, I am back, and I've just done a couple of things off camera, and what I just came back here for was some sticks. Here we go. Let's make some of these fences. Yah, yah, yah. So what I was doing was I was building the, I need to make one fence gate. Wait, how many fence gates do you get for the thing? Is it, okay, one. That's cool. That's cool. Totally awesome. Okay. So let's come up here. And I was building a place to put the, what do you call them? The snow golems. Just for fun, you know. I thought I'd build a little pen up here for the snow golems. And that's probably definitely not enough fence. Of course not. Okay. I've also been working on the animal farm. Ow. Okay, there's not any noise. There we go. Noise. Let's do this. I hope that actually recorded my voice, just like all quiet like that. And if it didn't, then this is doomed. Anyway, we have enough cows to complete the challenge, make some little baby cows. Oh, and I finished mining what we were at the end of the last episode, right here, and I cleared it out, and it's nice open now, so it looks nice. So let's grab the rest of these sticks. Oh wait, no, I have those. So let's just grab all that and turn it here. Sorry if there's an echo. It's quite loud actually today. Oh, wheat. White. Okay. Oop. Didn't do that right. I think that's enough. That echo makes me sound... Oh, there's a dead cow. Why are there dead animals dying in here? Dead animals dying? Yuck, kind of weird. Oh, and that baby little chicken there, I got from an egg. First egg. I threw one egg, and it's just like, hell yeah. Okay. Two sheep are... No, cows. This cow and this cow seem to be eager. And this cow... No, I just almost used that one. Sheep. Hey, what the... That cow and that cow. There we go. Yes. Yeah! That's right. Now I just have to see two little baby cows and say, there's one little baby cow, and there's two little baby cows. I classify that as some little baby cows. Let us check that off the list. Make some little baby cow. Bye-bye. Sweet. Okay, now that we've completed one of those goals, if I had iron, I would get some wool off these sheep, but of course not. This sheep and this sheep I want to do like that. Now, let's eat a little bit. Yum. I'm a little bit hungry. Is there a baby sheep in there? Yes, there is. I'm going to kill one of these sheepies because I want his wool for the mushroom hut. Here we go. I need to show you the mushroom hut too. And I added this little pillar to stop ice